How to complete events in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can complete events in Monopoly Go, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So, to complete events in Monopoly Go, you need to track active milestones time with your multiplier usage and gather special event currency from tournaments and quick wins. Focus on 3 core steps: targeting event tiles with high multipliers only when closed, collecting minigame tokens like Pick Access, and checking daily schedules on the Super Cheats Monopoly Go guide webpage. And these are some steps that you can follow to complete events in Monopoly Go. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.